Place this under a weakened peace lily, and it will bud and bloom like never before. Autumn is the perfect time to strengthen your peace lily by giving it essential nutrients. After a hot summer with strong sun and dry air, the plant may show signs of weakness, like yellowing leaves or lack of blooms. To restore its vitality, simply dissolve a tablespoon of food-grade gelatin in a liter of boiled water. Water the plant with this solution every 2 weeks, and soon you'll see new buds and healthy leaves. Watering a peace lily with gelatin is a home remedy that supplies extra nutrients to support its growth and overall health. Gelatin contains proteins and important elements like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, essential for healthy plant development. This gelatin solution can strengthen the leaves, speed up flower growth, and improve the plant's condition, especially after a challenging summer. I add this to water and water my geraniums with it. They grow faster and immediately produce lots of new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vivid color. All you need is a large bottle. Pour 1.5 liters of regular water or rainwater into it. Next, you'll need some lager beer. Add a few teaspoons of this liquid gold to the bottle. Use natural or organic beer without additives or preservatives, as these can be harmful. The beverage of the gods contains yeast, sugars, and carbohydrates, which can serve as a quick source of energy for soil microorganisms. Yeast contains potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, exactly what flowering plants like geraniums need. You'll see that this water will further strengthen your geraniums. Remember, geraniums don't like too much water, so water them in moderation. This water with a bit of lager is perfect for geraniums. In a short time, they will reward you with beautiful flowers. Especially during hot weather, mineral-rich water from the liquid gold will be very beneficial for geraniums. 1 spoonful of this syrup is enough to make your monstera grow into a healthy, lush plant. Start by using garlic, a natural remedy with incredible properties. Prepare 4 garlic cloves and slice them thinly. Garlic acts as a natural protector against pathogens that can weaken plants. Place the sliced garlic cloves into a 1-liter jar and pour in warm water. Then add 1 spoonful of honey. Honey boosts immunity and helps plant regeneration. Stir well, seal the jar, and let it sit for a few hours. During this time, the ingredients infuse into the water, creating a powerful natural elixir for your plant. After a few hours, strain the liquid into a larger jar and dilute it with 1 liter of water. Your natural syrup is now ready. Use it to water your monstera, providing essential nutrients that will quickly restore its vitality. To clean the monstera leaves, soak a cotton pad in the syrup and gently wipe them. This helps remove pests while strengthening the plant externally. Apply this syrup every few weeks, and your monstera will reward you with lush growth, glossy leaves, and a healthy appearance. Put a stocking over the flower pot. Your plants will stop getting sick. Cover the soil in the pot with cotton and stretch a stocking over it. This trick can save your plants. When used regularly, it keeps flowers healthy, protecting them from diseases and pests. When discoloration and spots appear on leaves, it's hard to tell if they are caused by bacteria, fungi, or pests. Many people use sprays, but with dense leaves, it's not always effective. Spraying needs to be thorough, and it's easy to miss a leaf. Wiping leaves with cotton pads is also time-consuming and not always efficient. Try this alternative method instead. Place cotton over the soil in the pot, fully covering the base of the plant. Use an old stocking and stretch it over the pot from the bottom to secure the cotton in place. Fill a bucket with water and add chopped garlic. Use plenty of it. Let the water sit for about 30 minutes. Then, take your plant and submerge only the leaves in the bucket. If your bucket is large, use sticks to prevent the pot from falling in. Let the plant soak for a few minutes. Garlic has antibacterial properties, kills pests, and keeps them away. Instead of spraying, you can protect your plants by soaking them in garlic water. They will stay healthy, and you'll enjoy their beauty for a long time. Even a handful will do the trick. Sprinkle the soil around the hydrangea with this. This is the best natural fertilizer for lush flowering. It makes the flowers start to flash colors, bloom longer, and maintain intense color. Coffee grounds, as they are referred to, help maintain the proper acidity of the soil. They enrich it with phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and nitrogen, which are responsible for growth and flowering. All you have to do is scatter a handful of grounds around the bush or mix them into the soil. Coffee grounds also help keep the soil moist, which is extremely important during hot weather. You can also water hydrangeas with a solution of coffee grounds, which means pouring the grounds directly under the plant, thus watering it. Coffee grounds acidifies the soil, which favors hydrangeas that prefer an acidic substrate. Regular use of this natural fertilizer promotes the healthy development of plants, improving their flowering and color intensity. As a result, hydrangeas bloom lushly and delight with beautiful colors. Even a single tablet can save any houseplant. Many people are unaware of how important supplements are for plants. You can find vitamins and minerals right in your home medicine cabinet. With their help, the results of your gardening efforts will be amazing. All it takes is a little time to learn how to use them for your plants. Asparagine contains magnesium and potassium. A deficiency in these elements can cause yellowing of the leaves. Plants become weak and fail to bloom. With potassium and magnesium tablets, your plants will revive and grow more lush. Simply make a small hole in the soil, insert the tablet, cover it up, and water the plant. Use this method every 2 to 3 weeks, and you'll see a difference. Glycine is an amino acid that's a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Glycine enhances the absorption of nutrients through the roots and increases chlorophyll concentration. As a result, plant leaves and flower buds grow much better. Just dissolve 1 tablet in a liter of water and water your plants with it. Aspirin strengthens plants against diseases and accelerates their growth. Salicylic acid, found in aspirin, naturally occurs in plants and boosts their immune systems, protecting them from pests. Once every 2 months, dissolve 1 tablet in 50 milliliters of water. Use it as a spray or watering solution. Calcium is a component of cell walls, influencing their permeability, activating enzymes, neutralizing organic acids, and supporting root growth and development. It also aids in nitrogen absorption and enhances resistance to pests. Crush a tablet and dissolve it in 500 milliliters of water. Water your plants with it once every 3 weeks. Tryptophan reduces stress, preventing growth and development stunting in plants. It's ideal for plants that have been repotted or moved to a new location. Dissolve 2 capsules in water and use it to water your plants. Iodine works wonders for plant growth and health. It's widely used to combat fungal diseases and bacteria. Few people know that no bacteria have ever developed resistance to iodine. When your plants are sick and you're not sure what's wrong, give them iodine. Dissolve 5 tablets in a liter of warm water, let it cool, and then water your plants with it.